Hello, future content creator. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something interesting. How to begin a YouTube channel without showing your face. If you're excited to share cool stuff without revealing who you are, you're in the right place. Let's go through the 3 important steps to get your faceless YouTube journey started.
Step 1. Decide what you'll share. Like any successful channel, a faceless one needs a clear focus. Pick something you really like and that others will enjoy too. It could be tech reviews, travel adventures, or useful tips. Make sure your content is helpful and different from other videos. Look at what people are interested in within your chosen topic. This will guide what you make and help you stand out on YouTube. Step 2. Create good videos and speak well. Since you won't show your face, your videos and how you talk become important. Make eye-catching pictures for your videos and interesting beginnings. Match your good pictures with a confident, interesting voice. Your voice should show your personality and connect with who watches your videos. This is how you show who you are, even without showing your face. Step 3. Make your channel look unique. Having a special look people remember is really important. Choose a cool name for your channel, make a memorable logo, and make sure your banner and watermark look the same. Your look should show you're good and always the same. Also, talk with people in comments, posts, and social media. This helps you connect with your watchers even more. That's it. You now know the 3 easy steps to start your YouTube channel without showing your face. To know more about AI videos, you can subscribe.